Welcome to another video where we feature the AI system, and in this video we're going to take a look at how we can optimize the AI so it runs at a smoother FPS while having a whole bunch of AI in our scene. Okay, so what we have in this scene is a whole lot of waypoints. Here is a visualization of the waypoints that we have going on in this scene. There's currently a whole lot of them. And if we try to go a little bit further from the camera or the car, we can see that there is absolutely no AI in here. And the reason for that is obviously to optimize the performance. So if we go all the way over to here, we can see there's absolutely no AI. But what happens if we go from this position into where there is no AI? So let's go there. Okay. Okay, we're here, and obviously we have AI walking in here. So what's happening is this AI just spawned in because we just saw some AI just spawn in the scene. Okay, what's happening in this script is that we have a array list of these pedestrians, we have a maximum distance, and we have a maximum population. If we go ahead and change this population from 80 to, let's say, 50, and wait a couple of seconds, we're going to see that the size of this array is going to drop to 50 or lower. Okay, we can see that it's gradually dropping to a lower number, and soon enough it's going to reach a 50 or below. How do you get these results? Well, to get these results, first you need a network of nodes, or as we call them, waypoints. What I've done is I've created a generate waypoints editor script that we can drop a root object, and then it calculates how many nodes it has in it. For example, this is a root object that has all these nodes attached inside. So what this does is if we grab this and drop it inside the root object, it's going to calculate how many nodes it has, and then we can just generate nodes. All this generate nodes is doing is adding this waypoint script into them. Okay, this is the generate waypoints script. All it does is simply delete the meshes if it has any, and then simply adding a waypoint script inside. And then it assigns these waypoints. Nothing too special. What's a little bit more special is this pedestrian spawner. So what this does is it has a numerator that has a return function that waits for 20 seconds. By the way, this is not the best way to manage the pedestrians, but it's going to work for now. So it waits for a total amount of 20 seconds. Then it manages the population. So it has two loops. One loop is to calculate the distance and obviously total population. And one loop is to check if the already generated AI is within the maximum distance. And then all it does is spawn new prefabs, and this is basically the old script. For the user controller, or should I say for the AI walking mechanism, I'm using the standard assets script, so it has all these values to it. You can obviously find this inside the standard assets if you navigate characters, third person controller, and into the prefabs. So this is what I'm using. It's basically a prefab made from Unity. I simply took this and I added another script to it. And this is the result of all those scripting. Enjoy.